Hi, Matt here with Capell Flooring Interiors. Merry Christmas. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. This time of the year, we run a special Christmas special where we do certain discounts and then we give that money to Toys for Tots. We also have lots of fun prizes and different things that we give to people that buy this time of year. It's important to know that this runs till December 20th. And the one kicker is you don't have to have it installed before Christmas. And quite frankly, it might not even be possible, but you just have to get your order in before then to get all the free goodies and prizes. And then part of your purchase price will go towards Toys for Tots for those kids that need toys and things for Christmas. So we look forward to seeing you, and please come on in. This is a fun time of the year to buy. And thanks so much and have a wonderful day. Thank you.